Hello, this is Karen from Caring Karen's Flowers on a blisterous windy day in April. Thought it was supposed to be March winds, but I think it's April winds, but that's okay. Wanted to show you what was going on in the garden. The tulips have all about fizzled out. I've got daylilies that are coming along really well. And I've got irises, and there are all kinds of them that are blooming or fixing to bloom. You can see the stalks. I've got some brand new ones down there that's blooming. Some bachelor buttons are fixing to bloom. Got some alliums blooming. They are just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. These are blue splash irises today that are just going beautifully crazy. They're all blooming at one time. Cat's eye still blooming. It's been blooming for a little while now, so just wanted to give you a little update. Hope you've enjoyed on this beautiful windy day.